Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove the alternator on Peugeot 207 1.6 petrol. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine and the alternator is located right there. To remove the alternator, first we need to remove the serpentine belt. The alternator is held by 4 bolts, 2 on this side and 2 on the rear side. We need to remove them in order to remove the alternator. We also need to remove this electrical connector and also the nut for the power cable. And these are the 2 bolts that are holding the alternator on the front, and I'll show you later the 2 bolts on the rear. So next we need to remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, this is the tensioner right there. We need to turn it clockwise and then we'll insert a pin in there to hold it from turning back. I'm using a wrench size 15 to turn the tensioner clockwise. And this is my pin that I'm going to install to hold the tensioner. So now I'm going to turn the tensioner clockwise all the way and I'm going to install the pin. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the pin installed. Now I'm going to remove my wrench and I'll show you a closer view of it. Look at where I installed the pin and it's holding the tensioner in place. And now the belt is loose and I can remove it. And that's the serpentine belt out. Before removing the alternator, first I'm going to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Next I'm going to disconnect the electrical connector on the alternator and also remove the cap for the nut for the power cable and remove the nut for the power cable and remove the power cable. To remove the nut for the power cable, I'm using socket size 13. Next I'm going to remove the 2 front bolts holding the alternator. They're socket size 16. I'm going to remove the 2 bolts on this side completely using my electric ratchet. That's the 2 front bolts removed. Next I'm going to remove the 2 rear bolts. I'll show you where the location are. This one of the bolts is located right there, and the other one is on the bottom. First, I'm going to show you how to remove the top bolt. To remove the top bolt, I need a long extension, and I need to go behind this exhaust manifold. This is my long extension. I need to go from there in order to get that bolt, but before removing that bolt, before getting access to the bolt, I need to remove this heating cover. These are all the bolts that we need to remove, and then take out that heat cover. Now that all the bolts are removed, I'm going to take out the heat cover. There is not much space to take it out, but you're going to wiggle it a little bit, maybe bend it a little bit, and it will come out eventually. And that's the heat cover out. Next, I'm going to get my long extension. This is the long extension that I'm going to use, and I'm going to get that top bolt on the alternator. Like I said earlier, I'm going behind the exhaust manifold. I'm going to put my long extension through there, maybe with the other hand guide it to that bolt. And once it's in that bolt, we can loosen it and remove the bolt. Now my long extension is in there. I'll show you a closer view of how I've done it. Here you can see it's in that bolt, and that's how it goes behind the exhaust manifold. Now I'm going to get my ratchet and loosen the bolt and remove it. And that's the top bolt of the alternator out. Next I'm going to remove the lower bolt for the alternator, but to do that we need to go underneath the car, and that's the bolt right there, just on top of the AC compressor right there. To remove that bolt I need again a socket size 16 with a ratchet. We don't need any long extension, just this size 16, and we're going to remove it. Once I loosened the bolt with the ratchet, then I'm going to use my electric ratchet to remove the bolt completely. And that's the lower bolt of the alternator out. Now I can take out the alternator. I'm going to remove the alternator from the top of the car, and this is the alternator out. Now we can repair the alternator or replace it, and putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.